Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to 2023, quarter three, and World Geography A. My focus notes are a little bit different in this class, using a different style of them that I think will work well. So you'll find them in the unit. This in particular is from the assignment page, but if you look as you work through your module, I'll show you here. You work through your side of it. It looks a little bit different. You'll come to the focus notes here, and then they're immediately followed by the discussion that's attached to these, and I'll explain that here in a minute. But you'll click on this, open it up, just like you would do your regular assignments. You don't normally work from that page probably, but you'll see um, your focus notes assignment. Remember, your notes are not over the entire unit, but they're just a response to a short video plus work you've done with your workbooks already. So this isn't over the whole unit. And I think that's really important to remember, so you don't freak out. It's not really taking notes. It's like, wish we could call it something else. But anyway, there's 5 parts, 6 parts actually. There's 5 parts of the notes and then a final question. So the first part is there's 5 things that you learned, 5 points each, 25 points. 4 things you found interesting, 5 points each, 20 points. 3 things you learned. Weird. That's probably not 3 things you learned. It's something else. I typed that wrong. So I'll check that. But then 2 things you still have, and 2 questions you still have, and then a 1 sentence summary, and then a final question. And that final question is also going to be your discussion. And I'll show that to you here. But you're going to get to this, and this will be here, and you'll have to make a copy. So you'll click on this, make a copy of the notes, and then you'll get them to this. So 5 things that you learned from this lesson, 4 things you found interesting. Oh, learn that you plan to tell others about. Okay, that's what it is. Anyway, I'll fix that. But so your 5 things, and then you can put a photo here or a picture or notes or something like that on your own. But you're gonna write those there, write these here, write the 3 things that you want to tell somebody else about, the 2 questions that you still have, and the 1 sentence summary. And then when you get to the end of the notes, explain the benefits and challenges of living in the Ring of Fire zone. Describe the reasons for living there or not. So after you refer to this workbook 2.2 and watch this video on a recent volcano eruption in Hawaii to get an idea about volcanoes a little bit and what living in the Ring of Fire is like, at least for part in Hawaii, okay, then you're going to answer this question. Well, this question right here, okay, is also the question on, let's go back to this assignment. It is also the question on your discussion. Okay, so when you do one, you do the other. Okay, and you can just copy and paste it, pluck it right down there in the reply, and boom, you're good. So you get 100 points for the focus notes, and then you're doing your discussion as well. As always, if you have any questions, reach out. There'll be a little quiz at the end of this video that you'll need to take to get credit for watching the video and to be able to move on. Just do these notes. Focus notes are worth what, 20% of your grade. So they're super easy to do. Plus you're doing your discussions at the same time, which are also 20% of your grade. So, that's like 40% of your grade just by going through these notes and doing the discussion. So don't skip them. All right.